Hey guys, alright, so mastering business growth, the 4 key strategies and AI infrastructures. So today we're going to be diving into the future of business growth. If you're a business owner, you need to hear this. We're talking about the 4 fundamental ways to get new customers: paid advertising, outreach, referrals, and organic content. But here's the twist. We'll show you how incorporating AI infrastructures can supercharge these strategies. Stick around because this is going to be a game changer. So the 4 methods of customer acquisition. Number 1, paid advertising. Driving traffic to a multi-step funnel system through platforms like YouTube, Google, Facebook, and Instagram ads. Number 2, outreach. Engaging, calling, and educating leads to convert them into customers. Number 3, referrals. Leveraging satisfied customers to bring in new clients through word-of-mouth marketing. Number 4, organic content. Creating valuable content that acts as an online real estate, continuously attracting new clients over time. Enhancing paid advertising with AI. Paid advertising is about driving traffic to your multi-step funnel system. We're talking YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram ads, the works. But here's where AI comes in. With AI targeting tools, you can ensure your ads reach the right audience at the right time, improving click-through rates and reducing costs. Imagine this. You run an ad campaign, the AI algorithms analyze the data in real time, adjusting your targeting to maximize your ROI. It's like having a marketing genius working for you 24/7 outreach. Revolutionizing outreach with AI. So outreach involves engaging, calling, and educating your leads, right? So with AI voice agents, the conversational AI booking agents, you can automate this process. They can handle cold calls, customer service, and lead follow-ups, all while you focus on closing deals. Picture an AI voice agent calling a potential client, introducing your business, answering their questions, and scheduling an appointment directly on your calendar. No more missed opportunities, no more manual follow-ups. It's a game changer. Boosting referrals through AI-driven customer service. Now, let's talk about referrals. Referrals are powerful. One client can turn into 3 new clients, and those 3 can turn into 9, and so on. The key to engaging referrals is providing exceptional service. With AI-driven customer service solutions, you can provide prompt and accurate responses, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, an AI chatbot can handle customer inquiries, provide instant solutions, and even offer personalized recommendations. Happy customers are more likely to refer their friends and family, creating a snowball effect for your business. The power of organic content. So lastly, the organic content. This is where one video or post can turn into an infinite amount of new clients consistently over time. The smartest business owners are pouring resources into quality organic content. Why? Because content is online real estate. It's free, it acts as your marketing and sales team, and can even generate revenue through platforms like YouTube. Think about it. You create a valuable piece of content, it gets shared, it ranks on search engines, and it continues to drive traffic and leads to your business long after you've posted it. It's like planting a seed that grows into a massive tree, providing endless benefits. AI infrastructures in real estate. So, how do AI infrastructures fit into all of this? Let's take a real estate industry, for example. You can use AI to target potential buyers or sellers with paid ads. Then, AI voice agents can handle initial outreach, qualifying leads before they even reach you. Imagine an AI system that analyzes market trends and identifies high potential areas for property investment. The AI can then create targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook and Google, reaching potential buyers who are actively searching for properties in those areas. Once a lead is generated, an AI voice agent can call the potential buyer, ask qualifying questions, and schedule a property viewing if they are a good fit. This not only saves you time, but it also ensures you're only dealing with high quality leads. AI infrastructures in construction. So now let's look at the construction industry. AI can revolutionize how you generate leads and manage projects. For paid advertising, AI can help you target specific demographics, such as home owners looking to renovate or businesses planning to expand their facilities. AI-driven ad campaigns can reach those potential clients on platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram. Once a lead is generated, AI outreach tools can send personalized emails or messages, providing information about your services and scheduling consultations. But AI doesn't stop at lead generation. It can also optimize project management. Imagine an AI system that analyzes construction plans, identifies potential issues, and suggests solutions before they become problems. This can save you time, reduce costs, and improve the overall quality of your projects. Additionally, AI can help you manage your supply chain, ensuring that materials are delivered on time and within budget. AI infrastructures in solar companies. Finally, let's explore how AI can benefit solar companies. AI can help you target eco-conscious customers and businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint. For paid advertising, AI can create targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Google and YouTube, reaching potential customers who are actively searching for renewable energy solutions. Once a lead is generated, AI voice agents can call the potential customer, answer their questions about solar panels, and schedule a consultation to discuss their specific needs. But AI can also enhance your operational efficiency. Imagine an AI system that analyzes weather patterns and predicts the optimal times for solar panel installation. This can help you schedule your installations more effectively, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Additionally, AI can help you monitor the performance of installed solar panels, identifying any issues and scheduling maintenance as needed. This proactive approach can improve customer satisfaction and reduce long-term costs. Next, we're going to go on to the power of branding. So remember, no matter how many leads you generate, your brand is what will take your company from 100 million to 1 billion, right? So branding is not just about having a cool logo or a catchy tagline. It's about creating a lasting impression in the minds of your customers. It's about building a reputation that resonates with your audience and sets your business apart from the competition. Look at Kylie Jenner, Conor McGregor, and Dwayne Johnson. They've built billion-dollar empires with their personal brands. They didn't just sell products, they sold lifestyles and associated their brands with values like determination, success, and creating strong emotional connections with their fans. Branding is fundamentally teaching behavior at scale. It's about associating your brand with things your audience deems valuable. Think about Nike. When you see their brand, you think quality, performance, and the just do it attitude, right? So Nike has successfully associated its brand with these values, creating a powerful emotional connection with its customers. This connection drives loyalty and repeat business. So building a strong brand. How do you build a strong brand for your business? Start by understanding your target market. What do they value? What are their pain points? What motivates them? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can start creating content and experiences that resonate with them. This could be through high quality products, exceptional customer service, or engaging content that educates and entertains. Consistency is key. Your brand should be consistent across all touch points, from your website and social media to your packaging and customer interactions. Every interaction with your brand should reinforce the value and message you want to communicate. This consistency builds trust, and so your customers are familiar, making your brand more memorable and appealing to your audience. But branding isn't just about what you say about yourself, it's about what your customers say about you. Positive word of mouth and customer testimonials can be incredibly powerful in building your brand. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your brand. Use their feedback to improve and refine your offerings. This creates a crazy cycle where your brand continues to grow and evolve based on the needs and desires of your audience. The importance of content creation. Content is here to stay, but everything else might go, right? So everyone's aware of the capabilities behind artificial intelligence and how it moves towards biological quantum computing every single day. Most are in a panic, or at least confused on what's going to come in the near future because of these rapid technological advancements. So as a business owner, your job is to make money. You make money by offering a product to a marketplace. That's called marketing. Marketing at its most basic level is getting more people to know about your stuff. If you can post valuable organic content across multiple social media platforms for free, and in return generate thousands or tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands and millions, sometimes billions of views, then isn't that marketing at its highest level, and by definition exactly? People who say they don't have time to post content are basically saying they don't have time to acquire new clients or customers. Think about how that sounds. Content creation will attract strangers online and convert them into paying customers or clients on autopilot. Keep in mind, this often happens while you sleep. And if you had 1 million people who knew you, liked you, trusted you, and supported you already, how difficult would it be to make some money selling something, right? So let's recap. There are only 4 ways in business to acquire new clients or customers, and that's with cold outreach, paid advertising, referrals, and organic content. Each channel is effective, profitable, long-lasting, and great. But we need to understand the difference between direct response marketing and organic marketing before we truly realize how powerful it is to post content online as a business owner. So examples of direct response marketing can be cold calls, paid ads, cold DMs, and emails, where you basically go into the market before the market comes to you. Then you request potential buyers to invest in what you're offering. In simple terms, direct response marketing is you asking people to buy your stuff. Examples of organic marketing can be YouTube videos, Instagram reels, referrals, and speaking at events, where you basically tell the market what you do without asking for anything in return. Then potential buyers ask you if they can invest in what you're doing. In simple terms, organic marketing is people asking you to buy your stuff. It's much easier to attract high quality, ready to buy and successful clients with organic marketing when compared to direct response marketing because of the way the sale is positioned. Instead of having to seem desperate and ask people to buy your stuff, people are going out of their way and asking you to buy your stuff before you even meet them for the first time. It completely changes the way you do business because now you never have to worry about making money or closing more sales ever again. This is why branding and organic content are so important if you run a business. Embrace AI now, guys, okay? Imagine it's 2025 and you're looking back. Your competitors embraced AI and now they're miles ahead. The market is buzzing with their innovations and you're left wondering, what if? Don't let that be your story. The AI revolution is here and it's not waiting for stragglers. This is your moment to seize the advantage, to be the pioneer, not the follower. Picture this, your business, supercharged with AI, blazing trails, leaving competitors in the dust. But it's just not about them, it's about you, your growth, your potential. Every moment you hesitate is a moment of untapped revenue, unrealized opportunities. So let's make that call. Let's explore the possibilities. Let's just not ride the wave of the future. Let's make the wave. Okay, guys, so don't just like, share, or subscribe. Act. Make this the day you chose not to miss out. The day you chose to leap forward. Okay, so until our next adventure in innovation, stay hungry, stay curious, and let's grow together. The future is now and it's calling your name. Don't keep it waiting. Catch you on the next one, guys.